Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to show you guys how to scroll up and down the page as well as left and right on the page. Alright, very easy command. So let's zoom in a bit. Alright, let's say we can't see the word work underneath Microsoft and we want to see it. So we have to scroll down. So the way to do that is you want to use this slider. Ugh, that was a horrible drawing. The slider on this right side here. Okay, and what you want to do is you just want to click and drag. Alright, like so. And there we can see the word work. Alright, so click and drag. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Now, this is an error. Okay, so now if you wanted to go left and right, and I have to zoom in for this example. Alright, let's say we had text on the far right side. It's the same thing. Instead of using the vertical slider, we're going to be using the horizontal slider. Okay? And the way to do that is you just want to click it and drag. Click and drag. Very simple command. And that's how you scroll around Microsoft Word. Alright? Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.